Hi, welcome to my art channel. Today I am going to try something different, something that I have not tried before. I've seen it done on YouTube, but I'm not trying it. It is I'm trying to create pearls, and basically what I am going to do is I will use three colors actually, white as base, then I will use this brilliant blue. I think it's UtraMarine blue, and believe it or not, I made this by mixing green, pale green and white. So yes, and then we'll use white as base, and this white is just mixed with paint, Arteza Loft paint and Floetrol. I will put the measurements and all that good stuff in the description. So yeah, let me get my apron on and I'll be back. Okay, apron is on, hair is up, and let's get started. Grab your coffee if you drink coffee, your favorite beverage, and then let's get started. Guys, the reason I'm always drinking coffee because I paint in the morning. I try to paint in the morning. Sometimes on Saturdays when my kids are sleeping, or I have time in the morning. I do work from home, so sometimes I sneak an hour maybe, or lunchtime. I could paint lunchtime. But yes, so let's get started. I have prepped my canvas and everything, so yeah. Okay, so what I have done here is I have prepped my canvas. I have a 12 by 12 here, and this is the paint I'm going to be using, the white paint as base. And like I said, I'm just trying to see if I can get some pearls on the sides and color in the middle. So this is the first time I'm trying this, and we'll see what happens. So what I will do is before I do that, let me go ahead and put the white paint on the canvas. The consistency is pretty good. I'll put this on canvas, pretty good amount. Might have to put too much, but that's okay because it's gonna need to be enough so that way you can move all the other paint from the middle, you see. So just make sure all the sides are completely covered. Oops. And what I forgot to do is I forgot to put the tape in the back, that painter's tape in the back. That way it can protect my canvas from getting a whole lot of paint back there, but that's okay. We're not gonna be touching it too much anyway, so you can go ahead and put some of the paint that looks like it's too much in the middle. And we're also gonna move it again with all the paint that I'm gonna put in there. And I'm not going to torch it yet. So what I'm gonna do right now is get this paint, put it in a cup like this. Hopefully this cup is clean. Yes, it is. Let me just wipe it off. I had another paint in there before. Just want to make sure it doesn't have residues. So yes, so let's go ahead and this the colors has to be a little bit thinner than the white, because what we want to do is we want the white to come through these colors, and if they are too thick, the white's not going to be able to come through. So I'm just using the blue, the UtraMarine blue, and this mixture of green and they look green and white. So I'm gonna put them together. And when you're done, it should look like this. It's not mixed. It's basically in a cup like that. So now we're gonna find the middle, and then just pour very slowly. Let me change it to my right hand so you can actually see there's a shadow on my hands there. Alright. Yeah, it looks might be too thin, but that's okay. You want it to be very close, that way you can get that galaxy effect. And now all we have to do now is tilt it and then bring it back in, tilt it, bring it back in all the way, and then we'll wait and see what happens. Ready? Let's go. I think we have enough white paint on this side. This is the first time I'm doing this and I am a little nervous. Hopefully we'll be okay. Alright, let's do this. And we have to do this really fast because we don't want, alright, middle. The paint must have probably was too thin, but that's okay. See guys, this is how it should. Okay. The waiting game. See, they're already popping out. This is what I'm talking about, the lacing. Look at beautiful lacing I hope we can get bigger ones. So I'm gonna leave it like that for right now, and I'm gonna come back in about 15 minutes and I'll show you what kind of lacing. But usually what happens is you get the lacing on the sides because that's where most of the stretching was. In the middle, not very much, but we'll see. If the consistency of my paint was correct, then we should get lots of good lacing. I mean, not lacing, some pearls. I keep saying lacing, but it's pearls. We should get a lot of pearls because that white paint is coming through all the other paint. And the more it comes through, the consistency has to be perfect for it to be able to pull through the colors. So, and it takes a little while, so we'll see. It looks, this side looks beautiful. So the pearls are really coming out pretty good, and I hope they give me that, you know, like 3D effect. So yes, I am going to come back in about 15 minutes and I will show you the final result. Okay, I am back and mesmerized. I mean, look at this thing. Beautiful. I left for 15 minutes to have my coffee and just relax for a little bit and come back, and this is what I find. Guys, can you imagine? Can you believe this? This is my first painting for pearls, and I've gotten pearls. I've gotten what I asked for. Tons of pearls. They are beautiful and they are so big. Okay, I am going to give you a close-up. So yeah, so you can see how they look like. Okay, great. Hold on. Okay, here we go. This is what I have got. This is a beauty, and it's just mixing white paint, Floetrol, and I did put some, I will put all the ingredients in the description, but I put this here. I don't know if you guys have seen this. It's Gloss Enamel by DecoArt. So I'm sure it had something to do with all these pearls popping out like this. Wow, look at this. All right, let me give you a close-up to see how these pearls pop. It's so beautiful. Oh my. Look how brilliant these colors are. I just received a package of Arteza paint. So these are really Arteza, and I don't know how you pronounce it. I call it Arteza. Some people call it Arteza. But yeah, they are brilliant. They are beautiful colors. But this is what I got. Oh, I can't look at the middle. It just looks so beautiful in there. Look, it's got that the 3D effect that I was looking for. Look at, guys, it just looks like, oh, look at that. I mean, how beautiful is that? I was watching Fiona the other day. Fiona from Slovenia. She is wonderful. She's beautiful, and she does beautiful flowers. One of these days I'm gonna try a flower, and with a twist, obviously. You know, the good thing about art is you can never ever duplicate anybody's art. It's always gonna come out different because of your techniques and you put some twist in there, and everything comes out different, but the idea is similar. So yeah, but look at those guys. Oh, I hope, yeah, I hope it just dries exactly like that. There's so many. And here it is hanging. It's so beautiful, so beautiful. What do you guys think? I love it. It dried exactly the way I wanted. I was hoping it would. Very nice. Okay, great. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe, hit the bell, share with friends. Enjoy. Look forward to posting another one. God bless. Bye.